Alright, good morning everybody. My name is Aslan David Tarapuez Delgado, a student of 4th semester of Bachelor's degree in English. This is my presentation for the subject Didactics of the English language. Go. The Art of Teaching Workshop, English Didactic course. Remember that a class plan is a tool that ensures teachers they are prepared to develop a class with all the necessary pedagogical and didactic elements. Okay, to be continued. The first element is topic. The topic is the five senses. Okay. The second element is level. The level is 4th grade. The third element is class development time, 1 hour. The fourth element is learning objectives. The objectives are to identify the five senses, to name the five senses, to write the five senses, and to explain the five senses in a person. Outcomes. At the end of the class, a student will be able to identify the five senses, to name the five senses, and to write the five senses. So we continue. The methodology. The methodology is grammar translation method, direct method, cognitive approach to academic language learning, total physical responses. Okay, assessment to check the students' progress. These include comparison questions, short presentation, group activity, short quiz, writing assessment. Okay, the learning activities. These include paired work, individual work, group work. The technology. The technology is a set of instruments, technical resource, or production used in a class. Look at the picture. Computer and the other element necessary for the class. Oh, excuse me. The next element is writing skill. Some of the best writing skills include research, outlining, editing, ready compression, time management. The resources. They are web pages or applications where language skills are developed. Look at the picture, please. The reference. That's all, folks. Thank you, everybody.